Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you watched my video on this look, which was my no makeup look, I'm going to show you how I jazzed it up to make it more nighttime appropriate or a bit more happening. So with a few simple steps we can make it pow. I can't do anything about my dry skin, so we're going to ignore that. So the first thing that I'm going to do is my eyes. Now I just used a brown shadow all over the eyes and then blended it out with a bit of bronzer. So I'm going to go in with some darker browns. Obviously if you were using other colour schemes you could do that. As I'm using browns for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to go in with Colourpop Facet. And I'm just going to blend that on my lid and into the crease. Now, because obviously I have like set my eyes and everything, it's not going to be as pigmented as when I normally do my eyeshadows, but it's fine. We can work with it. Just about smoking what's there. Now, because you've already got your face makeup on, you want to do this slowly just so you don't get any fallout, because you do not want fallout when you're under eyes. And then just blend it out into the crease. So it's literally just darkening what I've already done. And then I'm going to get a flat brush and I'm just going to go down the bottom here with that same colour, just so the lower lash can be more smoked out. I'm then going to use, this is Colourpop Now and Zen, so it's like a whitey gold shade. And I forgot to bring a brush again, so I'm just going to use my Q-tip again. If you saw my other video, you know that I used a Q-tip. And I'm just going to place that on the inner corner just to make the inner corner brighter than it was before. Like so. Then, obviously, we have no lashes on. So to really jazz up a look, I'm going to put some lashes on. These are the, what are they called? The Dead Pretty Nicole Lash, which is stunning. So I'm going to put my glue on, and while that's setting we can be doing the face. So before I only bronzed lightly, so this time I'm going to take a darker bronzer. This is the Lottie London, I think it's medium deep, yeah, medium dark bronzer. And I'm going to take a Molly O'Brien angled contour brush and I'm going to really work this into my cheek so that I can get that bronzer right pronounced. So can you see the difference? Again, I'm going to do the same up top. Don't worry, I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to get rid of this 5 head. Because obviously I've gone over with the darker one, I just want to go over with my previous bronzer that I wore, which is the, I keep thinking that you know what I'm talking about. This is the Makeup Geek bronzer, and I'm just going to go over where I've done that just to make sure it's all blended nicely. We don't want to look harsh. Next thing I want to do is jazz up my blush. I used a pale blush when I did my no makeup look. So I'm going to take, this is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in Tropical Hues. So it's just like this, it's just a bit of a deeper tone. Put some colour in my cheeks. Then I'm going to take the Ofra Star Island highlighter, which is a pale gold shade, and a Morphe M501 brush, and we're going to highlight. We're going to go over what I did before, but we're going to make it pop in. If you're going on a night out, you want to glow to the gods, don't you? So, glow baby, glow. Oof. Ofra highlighters are like my favourite if you haven't noticed. Bit on the tip of my nose, bit over here. Go crazy. So as you can see, that's just give you some more of a glow. Right, my lashes look like they're done now. Another way to really jazz it up, but I've not done it this time, is to add a winged liner as well. That's a great way to do it. Straight away a wing would change your look. As you can see, that's jazzed it up straight away. I am going to put some black in my tight line and waterline. I should have done this before I put the lash. And then taking a little brush, I'm just going to try and smudge in that waterline black. Now this is completely optional if you want to do that. I just put some brow gel through my brows, so obviously shaped properly. I'm just intensify them just with a little bit of brow pencil. But this is completely optional. Yeah, so they're still not completely structured like I normally have them, but at least it's a little more summer. I'm just going to take off my lip. If you like a nude lip, you can obviously keep it on. But I find the best thing to zhuzh up a look is to go red. So this is the, who are you by? Smashbox Always Sharp Liner. It's really good, so every time you close it, it sharpens it at the top. It's a bit of waste for product wise, but at least you don't have to worry about sharpening. This is the Colourpop Luxe Lippy in Snow White. This is part of the Disney collection. I did do a lip swatch video. If you'd like to watch it, I will link it down below. So that is everything. In fact, no. We're going to put some more highlighter on. Oh yes, she went there. Ooh. So that is it, guys. That is how you can spruce up an everyday no makeup look into a lots of makeup look. It's only little things, obviously, changing your lip colour, adding lashes, darkening your eyes. It's not like rocket science, but the difference is crazy, if I do say so myself. All I've done is obviously I've deepened up my angles, highlighted to the gods, nice red lip, and these massive lashes, which are beautiful. So if you have enjoyed this video, if you have found it helpful, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Forgot to wave, didn't I? Bye guys. That was like crazy.